Which of the following numbers lies at an equal distance from both minus 11 and minus 5? Wonderful. Let's just put 0 here. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5 here. Minus 6, minus 7, minus 8, minus 9, minus 10, minus 11 here. Between these two, there are 6 units. If you want a number equal distance from both of these, that should be a distance of 3 units from both. So from minus 11, we take 3 jumps, we should come here. From minus 5, we take 3 jumps to the left, we should come here. Think about this number. What is this number? It is minus 11 plus 3 or minus 5 minus 3, which is minus 8. Either minus 11 plus 3 or we say it is minus 5 minus 3. From minus 11 add 3 or from minus 5 subtract 3, we'll get to the point equidistant from both, which is minus 8. Another way of thinking about it, this always works. The number smack in the middle is minus 11 plus minus 5 by 2, minus 16 by 2, minus 8. Any 2 points on the number line, m and n, point smack in between them will be m plus n by 2. M and n can both be positive, m and n can both be negative, they can be one positive, one negative, it doesn't matter. Any 2 points on the number line, the number smack in between them, equal distance from both of them, is the average of the two numbers.